Hello guys and welcome. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm doing an unboxing of what can be considered a modern reinterpretation of a classic dive watch from the 60s. But there's much more to it. In fact, with what it delivers, this can be seen as a really compelling package. Without further ado, let's get to it. Your average run-of-the-mill watch box, not much to say about it. At this price point though, they could have done a little bit better in my opinion, but you know what, I'm not going to complain. In fact, I was gifted with this nice travel case and this right-hand Rado original glove. Actually, I was surprised to see only one in the back. I don't know if this was an oversight or this is just what they do. I might return to the store and ask. And here it is guys, the Rado Captain Cook with the green dial. Let's take a closer look. What we have here is a 42mm stainless steel case with a mirror polish finish, 120 clicks, unidirectional rotating bezel with a ceramic insert, a domed sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating. The dial has an interesting sunburst design with a color to match that of the bezel, large indices painted with superluminova and a very distinctive broad arrow hour hand. By now, you might have realized that the design of this timepiece is vintage inspired, going from the slim lugs to the bubble crystal that creates that distorted effect, accentuating the curvature of the dial around the edges and no guards around the screw down crown. One quirk of this dial is the little round window at 12 o'clock with the Rado Anchor logo on a purple background that moves around when the watch is handled in different positions and seems to always settle bottom down like it's following gravity. Flipping the Captain Cook over, the screw down case back is engraved with stars and seahorses. The bracelet is a bead of rice stainless steel with a really interesting feature also available on the leather strap option, and that's the easy clip. By pulling at those levers right there, one can easily remove the bracelet and swap strap without employing any tools in the process. That's really a nice feature. The movement is a 80 hours power reserve, ETA based caliber. That's really impressive. By the way, the watch can be purchased with any strap, but a kit is available with the leather pouch containing 2 additional straps. That's worth considering if you're thinking of getting all of them, the steel bracelet, the leather and the NATO strap. On my 17cm wrist, the Captain Cook wears nice, and the beads of rice bracelet, although not everybody's cup of tea, is actually really comfortable. It hugs the wrist perfectly, probably one of the bracelets with the snuggliest feeling I've ever tried on. Again, this was my unboxing of the Rado Captain Cook green dial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.